what exactly was Cisco doing here?
That's right. There's two allegations of discrimination here. First, the Labor Department investigators are saying that the company favored foreign visa holders over American workers for jobs at the company's headquarters in California. Number two, they're saying the foreign workers that they hired, they then paid less than American Cisco employees.
So Cisco says visa holders are paid on the same basis as U.S. citizens and permanent residents. We are committed to fostering a diverse and inclusive workforce that includes ensuring that everyone who works for Cisco is paid fairly for the job that they do. What is the evidence that Cisco, Chris, did otherwise?
So this was part of a random audit done by the Labor Department's Office of Federal Contract Compliance Programs, which is essentially a government watchdog over contractors enforcing an executive order that bans pay discrimination in the workplace. And they perform these audits, they go in, they look at pay and hiring records, and based on those records, they reach conclusions. In this case, the investigators found that there was enough information from that data to issue two notices of violation, and those notices are currently being discussed in some sort of settlement.
So this is one of several ongoing investigations into possible discriminations by federal contractors against, not in favor of, visa holders. What else do we know about these investigations?
So this is the first one that we know about in which the DOL has actually found that a contractor discriminated on the basis of visa status. But we do know that the DOL is looking into similar allegations at a number of other contractors. We don't know who those companies are, but separately we've seen in the last couple of years that the DOL has taken a specific interest in tech companies, especially Silicon Valley companies who have been getting in on the federal contracting game. So it's safe to say that they're looking at those companies. They're currently embroiled in pay discrimination cases based on race and gender at Oracle and Google, and they're continuing to look at tech companies, and they're also going to start and already are looking at this visa question as well.
Is there any influence here from the Trump administration?
Well, it's hard to say. It certainly fits into the overall goal here of the administration to crack down on immigration, to bring back American jobs. But it is ironic in that it comes at the same time, a month or so later, after the Trump organization asked for 61 H-2B visas. Those are for low-skilled workers, and they requested those for the Mar-a-Lago property. So some folks are saying, they're having a hard time squaring those two things. On the other hand, it certainly follows the rhetoric that we've heard from the Trump administration all the way from back on the campaign trail.